it is super quiet and today is my last day in Maui and I have exactly 30 hours until I take off. It's really becoming a reality now. Alright, so for those who do not know, I'm actually a huge coffee person. Those coffees in Hawaii is actually one of the best I've ever tried. So I decided to buy a lot of bags to bring them home. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have 2 more coming. And I'm not regretting it. It's seriously one of the best coffees I've had in my experience. Well, I just finished packing tonight, and it is midnight right now. I am all prepared. I am all ready to leave. It's got less than 24 hours, what I do now, and I'm going to go to bed and get a lot of rest before tomorrow. And yeah, good night. So, this flight from Maui to Atlanta will be the hardest flight I will ever get on. The reason is that I am hearing impaired, and most of the time when I communicate with others, I read lips. That's the best way I can understand from another person. The problem is at the airport, it is mandatory to wear a mask, and that's going to be difficult for me to understand others, of what others will say to me, or when I ask somebody a question about the flight, I will have to deal with that for a whole day. In order for everybody to understand that I am hearing impaired, I wrote with a Sharpie on my mask that says deaf. With that word, when people see it, they'll understand that I cannot hear. I hope that it will work really good, and I hope that people will understand that when they see that I cannot hear. It is super quiet, and I am literally the only person at this airport. It is crazy. Wow. Just made it to LA, just finished two breakfasts, and it got about 2 more hours till the next flight to Atlanta. Flight number 2 from LA to Atlanta. Just landed in Atlanta. I'm back home. Now I am back in Atlanta, and I am very happy to be back. I'm also a little bit sad that I am not in Hawaii anymore, but it is so good to be back, to see my family again, see my friends again, drive my own car again. So I know that some of you are probably wondering, how did the flight go, and were there any complications that I went through during the flight? The answer is yes, there were complications. I had to explain to them that I am hearing impaired, and that takes like a few extra minutes in the conversation trying to help them understand that I cannot understand them. But I was able to make it through, and now all of that is over. I do not have to deal with that anymore until next flight probably. But I also want to add that there were people there that were very kind and respectful to me as I was explaining to them that I am hearing impaired. For example, I walked up to one person and she noticed my mask and she tried her best at sign language. I also found how much she cared about that and how much she cared about me, and that was very helpful. It was also very encouraging as I saw that. Another person talked very slow for me and also tried her best at sign language. Also, there were a couple of people there that took off their mask so that I could read their lips. I was very shocked about that. I was not expecting anybody to do that for me. That was very helpful for me. So overall, the flight from Maui to Atlanta was very challenging for me, but there were people there that were very helpful for me, and I want to say thank you for that. So while I was flying home, I learned that no matter what is going on, no matter what you are going through, there are still other people around you that struggle. From whatever situation they are going through, you should help them. I learned while I was flying home that I should help more, that I should put that in a habit, and I want you guys to do that. I want you guys to practice helping others, and I want you guys to do that more often. I cannot explain how thankful I am for those people helping me at the airport. I was asking them where the gate was, or I was asking them questions about the suitcase. I was asking them questions about the flight, and they were super helpful for me. I learned from them that I want to be more helpful to anybody who comes in front of me, and I want you guys to do the same thing, and that is what we should focus on more. So that is the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys next time.
She was